Who done this? Nala, stop!
Winston.
You're here to solve a murder. No interviews, no kicking, solve a murder. Got it.
Oh, there's a wall there.
Ziggy gang in this motherfucker. No, no, bitch, nigga, what the fuck? Hey, go get your ball. Oh.
You see how cool is it? You see? You see that?
That's my dog.
Thank God. I don't even know what I do without it.
Pretty incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, my shoes bugging at you today. Hey.
Oh, oh.
Excuse you. Oh. Okay.
What you got? You got little booties? Good girl. Hey.
What are you doing?
Oh, got him with the left. Oh, he got him with the left. Oh, get him.
Max, this is Ducky. Ducky, this is Max. Y'all could be friends.
No, no!
Murphy, what are you doing? Look at little fat ass. Can't even scratch your neck. Fat bitch. That's why I ain't leaving no packages, cause y'all, you know what? That's why you can't scratch your neck, fat.
NANI?! We just sat on the ground and pee now.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like this.
I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as.
Diesel, this way. Come on. Oh, that's a sin. Diesel, come here, this way.
Oil-infused lotions moisturize with indulging scents. Smiling sparkles.
Leo. Leo. Where are you? Leo.
When your dogs know they're in timeout.
Until that weasel came along, our family made an honest living. Stealing dino eggs.
Did you surprise visit? Surprise visit. Who's that? Who's that?
I think I like this little life.
Or she had it afterwards. She did. One more.
Leave it. Leave it.
I guess when you got an itch, you got an itch. Huh, Tara?
You do it? Oh. Bájate, Julio.
That's your tail, Luce.
Oh my God. What is this? Oh. That's what it come home to?
I'm coming. Clapped it in.
One at a time. Take your time. Take turns. Thank you. Okay, jump. Poor hero. What the fuck?
Ow! Are you?
Get in the box. Yep. You ain't gonna find shit in there. I'm broke because of you. Just kidding.
Well, good morning. What have we here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What have we here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Was that you that got the toilet paper? Bad girl.
Be nice. Good boy.
Good boy, Spencer. Oakley, let's go. Get in here. Get in here, you knucklehead. Get in here. It's not playtime. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here right now.
Look at your little alfalfa hair. Oh my goodness. What?
Does this weird ass thing where he like swims and he sounds like an elephant. He's so loud.
Look where I found them. Is this not the cutest thing you have ever seen? Are you being a good boy, Echo? Are you taking care of your little sister? Oh, good job.
That's so embarrassing, Ruby.
I'm gonna bust him.
Oh my gosh.
Elle dit viens cheval, viens. Vas-y Lucie, go, go. Avance. T'es nounoune, t'as manqué. Oui, vas-y. Yes. Oh.
What are you doing, baby? Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.
Logan, sit. Wipe your butt.
Lucy, what are you doing?
Let me see. Let me see. You broke your nail.
Oh, Dwayne, get out of my bed. Get out. Mom!
Sit. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Not. Lay down. Lay down. Oh, good girl.
What are you doing?
He's a sweet baby.
Hello, sweet boy, sweet girl, whatever. Yes.
Lupi, me vas a romper mi calcetín.
Do it for less at Harbor Freight. Quality tools, lowest prices.
First of all, just like these distant roars in the dark, you know? They start getting closer and closer, and that's what I thought. There was no bear.
Honey.
Hard to get it out. I think it's just a...
What are you doing? Just eat it.
Mango. Good one.
Go outside? Alright, go ahead. Go outside. Go pee pee. Go ahead.
Do you have a dog?
Yeah, he's small, but he doesn't bite.
Okay.
Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you.
Okay, come on. Down. Sit. Look at Archie's face. Look at his face. What's wrong, Archie?
Who was interested first? Who said I love you first?
Duncan. Are you kidding me right now? Duncan.
They told me I was buying a Chihuahua. This big ass dog. Blaze. Yeah, what kind of dog is this?